Today we're going to be going over the assembly process of the 9-tote Project Source tote rack that is specifically designed for the 27-gallon Commander totes. Step 1 in the process is to add the dowels, AA, to the uprights, which is part A. And a pro tip would be to line up all your uprights, part A, and your sliders so that you can make assembly of the dowels much quicker. Dowels also go into both sides of the uprights. Again, lining everything up makes it much quicker for this process. You'll repeat that last step on the uprights by adding the dowels to the other end. Step 3 in the process is to add dowels to the sliders, which is part B. The dowels go into 4 of the holes on each slider. Repeat this process for the holes on the other side. Step 4 in the assembly process is to take the horizontal pieces and marry them to the vertical. Now it's good to note that part C has the holes on the flat surface, whereas part D has the holes on the back side. Part A is the vertical upright, and it's good to note that the holes closest to the top designate that this is the top of the tote rack. You simply take your vertical upright and place them into the holes on the slat. Repeat this 4 times. We'll take one of the other C pieces and set it on top of the vertical uprights. These will line up with the dowels and the already pre-drilled holes. The last part of step 4 is to take the provided wood screws and drive them into the top and bottom of the horizontal slats. It's best to use a powered screwdriver if available. Step 5 in the process is to take the provided part D, which is the horizontal slat that has the multiple holes on the rounded side, and place it into the vertical upright. It's best to use a rubber mallet to make sure it's secure. Then take the provided wood screws and drive them in. Step 6 in the assembly of the tote rack is to place your 2 pieces that you just assembled about 2 feet apart. Then you'll take part B and place them on the outer 4 locations. Repeat this to the other side. Step 7 in the assembly instructions is to take the barrel nut and the shorter screw, DD, and place the barrel nut on the inside of the slider. You can then take the screw and marry the 2 pieces together. Now we will provide you with an Allen key, but another pro tip is to use a power driver with an Allen key end. Another quick tip is to take the barrel nut and just hand tighten it, and you can come back with a powered screwdriver and drive it in. Step 8 is to repeat steps 6 and 7 by taking part B, which is the slider, and simply placing it on both sides of the inner uprights. This is the final step where you're taking the longer of the 2 screws provided and just putting them in by hand. Pro tip is to hand tighten them all the way through, then come back with a power driver.